grade 1, welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, let's recap the topic that we have already started this week. What was the name of the topic? Can you guess the name of the topic? Yes, it was our five senses. And how many senses have we covered? We have covered all the four senses. Now only one sense is left. In that sense, we are going to do today. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you a video. I want you all to listen to that video very, very carefully. And later on, I'm going to ask questions about that video. And again, this is our own Edual video. Do watch it later on as well, and so that you can learn something from here. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Can you all see my screen, children? Great. Okay.
Hey, I have a pet. I have a pet. It's a cat. It's a cat. I play with it all the time. It sometimes also scratch. But I also have a cat. Yes, and I pet my cat. I love my cat. I can't be without my cat. Oops, I have a dog. I have a dog. I love my dog. I take my dog and walk. I play with my dog all the time. It's my pet and I love pets. Oh, I have a bird. I have a bird. Yeah, I have a bird. I love birds. It sings along with me all the time. Give food to your pet and water to your pet and a lot of love and care.
Alright, what was the video about? Yes, it was about animal pets. It was about pet animals, right? So what you saw different animals, right? And what else you saw in this video? How he was patting his pets, right? That boy was describing the different pet animals. So you saw that video with your eyes. What else you did? Yes, you heard so many things that which the boy was saying. You heard different things which he was telling you about the pet animals, right? So that means you saw the video with what? With your eyes, correct. And you heard what he was saying with what? With your ears. So these are the two parts of your body, organs of your body, which are involved in doing so many different things. Your ears to listen, to your eyes to see. Without your eyes, without your ears, you are unable to see or hear anything. So these organs of your body, these parts of your bodies are so very important. So this is what we are going to learn. We are going to learn the last sense, and that is the sense of hearing. Now I'm going to play some sound and you have to guess the sound, okay? What do you think the sound was about? Of which thing it was? The sound was, it was a siren sound, and siren sound could be of an ambulance, it could be of police car, anything. So you heard that sound, isn't it? You were not looking at it, but you heard that sound. So that means you heard with your ears. So this part of your body is so important. You heard the sound with your ears. Now listen to my instructions. Were you able to listen? No, because how you will describe my sound? It was very low. You couldn't hear. You couldn't hear what your teacher was telling you. Now I want you all to do like this. Close your ears like this. Close it with your hand. Okay. Follow my instructions, class. Now, remove your hand from your ears like this. Were you able to listen? Were you able to hear what I was saying? No, because your ears were closed with your hands. You closed your ears like this, so you were unable to listen to what was your teacher saying. That means if you close your ears like this, or if God forbid there is some problem in your ear and you are unable to, then you are unable to hear anything. Is it so? Yes. So your ears are very, very important part, or it plays a very important part in your life. It helps you to hear different things, and this hearing you are doing throughout the day, throughout your life. Every day you need your ears to listen to different things, to listen to your moms, to listen to your dad, to listen to your teacher, to listen to your favorite songs, or to watch and listen to your movies. And there are so many other things that you can do, right? Now I'm going to show a picture and you are going to describe that picture, describe the sound of that picture. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Can you see my screen, class? Great. Okay, can you see the first picture? It's of a car. Can you describe the sound, the horn, the car, the sound that the car's horn makes? What type of a sound is that? It's very, you can say, it's loud. Sometimes the sound is very loud, right? So loud is one sound word. Loud. Sound could be loud also, right? And which picture is the next to the car? The second one. This picture is of a dog. How does a dog bark? Is it soft? Is it loud? Or is it okay? Again, it's very loud, you can say, right? Right? And the third picture is of a phone. It's explaining you how the bell rings. So how will you describe the bell sound? Yes, it is soft. You can say the sound is soft. Correct. Now, look at the next picture. This picture of a bird. Can you describe the bird, the chirping of birds? How do they make sound? Again, it's soft, you can say. Very soft. It doesn't disturb you, right? The next one. It's the picture is of a thunderstorm. Can you describe the sound of a thunderstorm? It's very loud, right? Sometimes it's so loud that it scares you. Isn't it so? Alright, the next picture. Banging of a hammer. Again, it could be, yes, it could be loud, it could be sharp also. So the other word is sharp. Do you understand? So how these different you have described these pictures, the sound of these pictures, right? So can you think of some other type of a sound, which other type of a sound word actually? Loud you have said, soft you have said, sharp is there. What else is there? What about the sound that you hear when you are listening to a music? When you are listening to your favorite music, of some singer is singing something. It's melodious. You call it melodious. Okay? Melodious. Okay. So these are the different sound words, right? Now tell me some other, give me some other example of a loud sound. Loud sound, you can say, you have seen the sound, you have seen the picture of a car. You said the car makes a sound which is very loud. Any other sound that you can hear at home which is very loud? Yes, your baby sister or your small sibling crying, right? So the crying of a baby, crying of a baby. It makes the sound which is very loud, you can say. And sometimes it's so loud, it disturbs you a lot. You feel very, very, you can say you feel very bad or you feel very disturbed when you hear a loud sound, right? Second is soft. Give me another example of soft sound. Birds, you can say the bell ringing. The bell sound is also soft. Sometimes it's soft, sometimes it could be very loud also, right? Okay. Another example of sharp. What happens when you opens the door or and you bang the door? What happens there? What type of a sound is? It's sharp, you can say. Door sound. And melodious. Again, you can say bird sound could be sometimes you can hear birds singing or a person singing. So that makes you feel good. That sound makes you feel good, makes you feel relaxed, makes you feel happy. So you can say it's melodious sound, right? That is the singer. So these are all different sound words. You can say loud, soft, sharp, and melodious. And what helps you to hear all these sounds? Which is the organ which is involved in this? Yes, your ears. You have two ears which plays a very, very important role in hearing. So, I hope you must have understood till here. Right now, what I want you to do, I want you all to copy down these words in your notebook along with with the sound words, along with the other objects that makes these sound. Okay, since it's copying down the work, it's writing, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task. All right, and your time starts now. All right, time is up. Show me your work. Wow, great. Now you have written four different sound words, right? So you have learned today the sense of hearing. How do you hear? What organ of your body is involved? What part of your body is involved in hearing different sounds? And it plays a very, very important role in your life, right? So I hope you will do your homework. I'll be posting that on portal, and do try and to complete it yourself. It's not so difficult. It's all related to the topic that we have done just now. And with this topic, that is the sense of hearing, we have finished this topic, that is our five senses. In our next class, we are going to start a new topic. Okay, children? All right. So do your work yourself and have a nice day. Bye bye.